Hey, it's Vicki with My Paper Connection. I'm popping on live real quick because I just wanted to show you. I'm actually going to unbox that sexy machine. I'm so excited. We as demonstrators have waited so long to get this new machine, and mine came in. I did open it, but I haven't taken anything out of it because I wanted to. I've had it the beginning of last week, but I was so busy with preparing for a card class that I wanted to do an unboxing. So I thought I would just wait and make a special treat out of it. So here we go. Hey, Carolyn. So this is the first piece. It all comes together. It's the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. It has all of the plates that come with it. And I haven't actually opened it before, but I've seen pictures of it, and they are actually labeled, which is amazing. Okay, so one, that is for that's the base plate. And then you've got the second plate. You've got your clear plate, and you have two clear plates, and then I'm not really sure what this is for, but we'll find out as we go. Okay, so you've got all of that plus a guide for it, and then this sexy machine. I am so excited. I'm so excited. Look at that. It's beautiful, and it's so compact. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you where you can see what I'm doing. So hold on one second. Hold your eyes so you don't get sick. Okay, so we'll put the plates to the side. And I'm going to put my glasses on so I can actually see what I'm doing. You know, when you get over 40, you need a little help. And I'm a couple minutes past 40. Okay, so you get your handle with it. I'll go ahead and take that out. I'm so excited. It's a really nice, sturdy handle, too. I like that. On my Big Shot, my handle, I had a little rubber thing that went with it, and it popped out, and my screw kept coming out of the handle, so I have to keep my Allen wrench really close so that I can just screw that back in. So I'm ready to retire that thing. Oops, here we go. All right, so you get all the things you need for it, and you're just gonna put the screw in there. Okay, and take your Allen wrench, fit that down inside of there. Maybe I should have put let's do that first. Maybe I should have taken this off and practiced it. Am I doing something? Oh, I see, it's got a little, yeah, there you go. Okay, has a little flat section. So then you just screw that in with your Allen wrench. And then it's got a little, okay, good. It's got a little plug thing that you can put over that. I'll keep that Allen wrench handy because you never know. Okay, so there's a little hole there. There is definitely a specific way to do it. Yay! Okay, so then you just open it up. Oh my gosh! I'm so excited. Woohoo! Okay, so let's see. Let me get my little book out, and let's just see real quick what plates that you use for what. Let's see. Okay. Maybe it's listed on here. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, wow. That is so nice and compact. Let me just try this. I don't like reading directions, and I should, but so I'm going to put a plate on and go ahead and put my paper. Can you see it? Yeah. Go ahead and put my paper on there. I bet you this gray one is for embossing. And I'm going to go ahead and cut out a peony, the priced peony. So I'll just put those in place. I saw my upline, Wendy Cranford, use hers, and it looked like it just cranked so easily. So I'm really excited about it because my poor Big Shot has seen better days. It was time to do something. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth. Even, whoops, sorry. Even with that much of the, that many dies, it's really right smooth. Ah, cool. Okay. Oh, and it cuts really nice. Yeah. Yay. I'm so excited. How many times can I say I'm excited in one video, right? Look, it's so cute. I might as well show you how to put these together. I'm not going to glue them together, but since I'm on here, I might as well show you. I love these peonies because they have the markings that you just line up those marks right in here. Just line those up like that. See, same markings. Stick those down in those little things. Now, if I was doing this for a card, I'd do a little bit more prepping. I'd probably, I might even sponge some color on it just to give it some depth and dimension. And I'd probably use some dimensionals with it. You know what I should do is start with the smallest one first. Okay, yep, that's what I need to do. And I've done these before, it's just been a while, and I still get nervous on these crazy lives, but I am bound and determined to conquer this thing and get more confident. Okay, so if I were putting these together, I would actually put a little bit of adhesive down there and make sure they stuck in place. But oh, how pretty. And then there's a little stamen or pistil or whatever that you put right down inside of that so you don't really see that little jagged edge. But isn't that pretty? And it just went through so easily. Okay, now I'm going to try an embossing folder. Carolyn, have you tried do you have this and have you tried it yet? I haven't tried it, and I haven't even read to see which one goes with what. Let me look at my calendar and see if not my calendar, my catalog. And see, specialty plate, yep, this is for embossing, so I'm going to give it a whirl. I might have to add a different plate to it, but let's see. I bet you I take this small one off and just do the, yep. Wow, that goes through so easily. It probably would not bounce around if I didn't have this slick mat up under it. It would probably grip it, but oh my gosh, that really worked well. Really nice and pretty. Okay, I'm so excited about this, and it is available now to customers. For the month of September, if you purchase one of these from me, I will give you double the loyalty points. So go to my website, or if you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to have you purchase. The mini one is not available just yet, but the larger one is. And you should try it because it is awesome. That's about it. I hope you guys have a great day. I just wanted to pop on and show you how this beauty works. I mean, it is as my granddaughter Lainey, when she heard a word one day, and she asked her mom what sudsy meant, and my daughter Bianca thought for sure she was saying sexy. She was actually talking about suds, but that's our key word for sexy now. So this is a sudsy machine. It's beautiful, and I'm so excited about using it. All right, have a great day. Bye.